In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an X in Inkscape using multiple easy methods, so no matter your skill level, you'll have a technique that works for you. Whether you're designing logos, icons, or just practicing vector basics, this is a super useful shape to know how to create. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Inkscape tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. We're starting with method 1, using the text tool. This is the quickest way to create a clean, perfectly balanced stick. Go over to the left toolbar and select the text tool, or just press the letter T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on your canvas and type the letter X using any font you like. Once you've got your text, switch to the selection tool by pressing S and click on your text. Now here's the important step. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This converts your text into a path. What that means is your X is now a vector shape instead of editable text. Keep in mind, once you do this, you can't edit the font anymore, so make sure you're happy with how it looks before converting. This method is perfect if you want a stylized or font-based X. Now let's move on to method 2, using the bezier or pen tool. Press B to select it. Click once on the canvas to start your first line, then move your mouse diagonally and click again to finish the stroke. Press Enter to confirm the line. Next, start your second stroke by clicking again, draw a diagonal line in the opposite direction so it crosses the first one, and press Enter. At this point, you'll have a basic X shape made from 2 lines. To refine it, switch to the node tool by pressing N. You can click and drag the nodes to perfectly align your lines and make the X look clean and symmetrical. This method gives you more control and is great for custom designs. Method 3 is using rectangles, which is ideal if you want a thicker, bold X. Select the rectangle tool by pressing R and draw a long, thin rectangle. Then switch to the selection tool with S, click the rectangle again to bring up rotation handles, hold Ctrl and rotate it to a 45-degree angle. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the rectangle. With the duplicate selected, click the flip horizontally button in the top toolbar. This creates the second stroke of your sheet. Select both rectangles, then press Ctrl plus plus to perform a union operation. This merges them into one solid X shape. Finally, method 4 is a more freehand approach using the pen tool again. Press P, draw your strokes to form an X, and then increase the smoothing option to simplify your lines. This is useful if you want a more stylized or hand-drawn look. And that's it. 4 simple ways to create an X in Inkscape, depending on the style and control you need. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.